Alright, so today I'm making a pretty useless video, but I just wanted to test out my new mic. So here it is. Today we're gonna install a genuine M-Power license plate frame that I got from Bimmerbum. So we're gonna start by prepping the area with some alcohol. Then if you buy like an actual BMW holder, it's gonna come with these rubber spacers. Simply stick them onto here. Right, next you're gonna insert the plate into the frame. And BMW also provides you with these little caps just to cover up your screws. So put the frame out to here. I'm using some fancy schmancy machine screws, but you don't have to do that. I just had spares laying around. And for this car in particular, do not use the screws that are too long. Okay, you have to make sure that they're the correct length. Otherwise, you're gonna have an issue with this holder, and eventually it's gonna come undone. It's gonna come unglued from the actual trunk lid, and it may even fall off if it's not secured by other means. So you're gonna want to make sure that it doesn't touch the actual bumper cover, because this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna leave these really big scratches, and you don't want those. And there you have it. That's how you install the license plate frame. Nothing complicated, but like I said, I was just testing my mic. Hopefully it worked well. But make sure to check out my other videos, the more useful ones. If you like them, obviously subscribe and give me your likes.